Canva has unleashed on us is creating animation. So I've created this quick scene. What you then do, you pick an element and you add an animation so that you have an animation. So cool. I've created this little element and I'm going to then select create an animation. As soon as it opens that, you can then click on the element and move it the way that you want it to move. And your animation is created. If your aeroplane does back spins in the air. Anyway, you could then leave it as original, make it smooth, or make it steady. Then it is steady. You can adjust the speed of the animation. And if you don't like the way that it is animating, you could then delete the path. If you're happy, you click on done. When you want to see how the whole animation looks like, you can then play it like a normal video that you have created. As an additional tip, if you want to create a box lookalike kind of an animation, then you need to hold the shift while you're dragging to create straight lines. What you then need to do is to hold the shift while you're dragging your animation so that it creates straight lines. If you're using a Mac, use your arrow up. So I'm going to click the element and you drag using the way that you want your element to move. And the aeroplane is in turbulence. Take note, you can animate any design. Just as long as you have an element, you can animate your social media posts, your videos. It is not exclusive to videos. Videos just makes it better because of the transitions that we can add in between scenes.